My name is Maz Hussein. I lead KPMG's Digital Lighthouse, which is our Centre of Excellence for Data, AI and Emerging Technologies. Well, I think as I think about the vision and what it needs to achieve towards becoming a digital economy, I think one of the key areas to focus on is data. Obviously, data is going to be the primary blood that pumps and drives the economy. And we're seeing a lot of policies being released through the kingdom to help make it easier to access and manage data. So I think that's going to be one of the big ones. The other one is going to be cloud. So as you've seen from the recent announcement around setting up data centers, once we have cloud in the kingdom, it's going to become far more affordable to develop products and services for customers. And so cloud is the second. And kind of to complement both those two, I think the other two you really need to think about is cybersecurity. So how do you keep your technologies and your data secure? And then finally, customer experience. So how do you understand what your customer needs to be able to drive the technology solutions and platforms that you build today and in the future? So I think LEAP really puts us on the map, right? I think I know it's the first year and we've made a huge impact. I mean, it's really busy. I was at Web Summit this year. I've been to CES in previous years, and I think it's equally as busy, as vibrant. All the big players are here, so I think it certainly puts us on the map, specifically in our region. Absolutely, right? We're a huge sponsor. We're a knowledge partner. I intend that we continue sponsoring it. KPMG is a huge advocate of Vision 2030 and are committed to the vision and the role that we're going to play in driving that forward. And events like LEAP are central to that.